Hi everyone, it's Jason, and for this second video, we'll be traveling out of Portland to New York City. The Highline video I filmed there is still coming shortly, but here's a short walk to and a quick look around the brand new Davis Center that just opened this year in the north end of Central Park near Harlem, that replaced an obsolete public pool and skating rink from the 1960s. I filmed this back in May while I was on a bike ride in the park that you can see on my other channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you from the Highline soon. I'm on my bike on Malcolm X Boulevard, coming from East Drive here, at the far northeast corner of Central Park. But if you just saw the sign, there's no riding bikes or scooters on the paths within the park, just on the former roadways. I am not sure how enforced that is, but this was on a very busy Mother's Day Sunday, so I was respectful and dismounted here. Which is why you're watching this on my walking channel instead of part of the cycling video I filmed the same day. The camera is still mounted to my bike as I walk it though, so apologies for the occasionally tilted footage. We're approaching Harlem Meer now, and you can already see the new Davis Center facilities built into the landscape across the water. The new facilities just opened in April 2025, just a few weeks before I filmed this in May. It was a $160 million project by the Central Park Conservancy and replaces the former 1960s-era Lasker Pool and Rink. While it provided much-needed facilities to the community, it also cut off access to the rest of the park and impacted the ecology and hydrology of the area. The railing and walkway above us to the right is on East Drive. I believe these fences are just temporary to protect the new landscaping. Didn't keep those geese out though. All these pathways are new and create new connections for the area. And the natural streams and waterways have also been restored. The tight mesh pattern for drainage is causing that interesting rainbow moire effect. Many of the rock boulders used in the landscaping came from the excavation of the new facilities. You can start to see the edge of the back retaining wall that forms the inside back wall of the center itself. I didn't go up there, but the roof also functions as a terrace and overview of the facility. The amazing thing, as you'll see in a moment, is its 3-in-1 year-round functionality. This artificial turf lawn is actually built on scaffolded platforms and is in place during the spring and fall seasons. In the summer, the lawn and scaffolding is removed and it becomes the large open Gottesman pool for swimming. And in winter, it is swapped into a skating rink, which must be artificially chilled as it's open from October until March.
No, it's too hot. You're gonna go.
Here's where the tickets to use the facility can be purchased. And there are also changing rooms and restrooms. And then there's also a cafe and seating inside. The glass panels pivot open to allow for natural cooling. They're made with Ortolux glass, which is transparent to people but appear to have a pattern to birds, keeping them safe. The beautiful wood ceiling provides noise dampening and extends from the inside to the outside. In the winter, it functions as an indoor warming facility during the skating season.
So that's where the swimming pool is. Next month on the 27th, we open it. But be our guest to enjoy it until then. I'm actually going to be sad to see the turf go. It's kind of been cool. Have a good one. Thank you.
Sounds like he was saying that the pool would open on June 27th. I was on a limited time bike rental, so that was about it for this quick look. We'll just walk back to the start at Malcolm X Boulevard. Another quick glance over Harlem Meer. I'm not sure there was a huge difference in gradient or smoothness, but the left appears to be an ADA-approved disabled user facility.
But I think they're going to be torn up.
Alright, I'm about to get back on the bike, so I hope you found this enjoyable and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next walk.